This World War II starvation experiment taught us why diets fail. Yet every day, millions of people are unknowingly recreating this experiment because we never learned the lessons from this landmark study. During World War II, a group of conscientious objectors volunteered for a starvation study. The goal of this was to help scientists understand how to treat victims of severe malnutrition from prisoner of war and concentration camps in Europe. These men were put on a semi-starvation diet of about 1,600 calories a day and were required to walk 22 miles every week. So this study basically tells us everything that happens to our bodies when we go on a typical calorie-restricted, eat less, move more type diet. Their bodies began to change in measurable ways. Sure, they lost an average of about 25% of their body weight, but their body temperature plummeted. Their heart rate slowed dramatically. Even their breathing became slower. Basically, their entire physiology was shifting into survival mode. But it didn't end there. They became withdrawn from society. Sexual interest disappeared. They became depressed. And they were completely preoccupied with food. It consumed their every waking thought. And what was really surprising was once they were allowed to eat normally again, this didn't go away for a long time. In fact, this rehab phase proved to be psychologically the hardest for most of the men. One subject even amputated 3 fingers of his hand with an axe. And when this study was finally published in 1950, we had 1,385 pages that told us that the Eat Less, Move More advice that every government, health professional, and fitness influencer tells you is the key to weight loss is biologically destined to fail. Every time you restrict calories, your body believes it's fighting for survival. You can't simply overpower millennia of evolution with a bit of willpower. Your ancient survival mechanisms will always win.